It's the time of the deal of the day, and as usual it will be on the pound GPY for every Monday. And before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly share the video. So now for a starter, here on the 1 hour time frame, the pound GPY is actually right here, my friends, on a resistance zone. And as we can see, we had here number 1, 2 and 3 attempts of a real resistance, and in the middle we had here this one fake breakout happened, and right here also recently happened a real level of a resistance. So that means that those attempts of a resistance have actually been respected with this level of a resistance. Now that tells us that we can expect a pullback to begin with the opening of the market by tomorrow, Monday. So that means if we look right here at the bigger time frame right now, such as 4 hour time frame, now since we are actually expecting a pullback to begin, so that means that the market most likely is going to continue the rise at a certain point. Now the question is where exactly. Let's now break down this chart and let's just be able to read it in a better way. So what I'm going to do is simply check here the channel just like that and like that. So right here we can see clearly that let me just make it clear exactly. So right here now we can notice that we had of course a channel or a triangle that indeed has been broken out from with that bullish breakout candle. And since we are actually talking about a resistance zone right here and a potential pullback to begin by Monday, that means that the pullback is most likely going to continue the fall until the market reach this level of a broken resistance trend line, and that in my opinion going to be the best level to start buying the pound GPY. So also, if we want to have actually even a better entry or a better analysis on this chart, all what we need to do right here is simply check this level of a support trend line, actually this one, sorry, this level of support trend line along with this one right here. Check this out. So that actually complies with our previous analysis. As we can see, we're having here support trend line number 1 and number 2, and then we had here this fake breakout in the middle, and the market actually just rose above this level of a previous support trend line. So again, if there will be ever any pullbacks happening, most likely it will also respect the same level of that support trend line. So now we know that we are having here a strong level of a previous resistance trend line plus a previous level of support trend line. So therefore, that's going to be, of course, a best level to start buying the pound GPY. But now from horizontal view, where exactly we can place our buy order? I would highly recommend to place it right there exactly. Right here. Why right here? First of all, this was the strong key support level where the market has actually begun bouncing on that level of a support, and right here also we had here the nearest level of a support to that bullish breakout candle. So therefore, waiting for the market to fall to 187.004 will actually be our best opportunity to place the buy order. That means we have to wait for the market to fall to another 46 pips before we can buy the pound GPY. Now for the take profit level, what we will do to determine the take profit level is simply by cloning the same support trend line that we have drawn here, and simply just like that clone it, and right now I'm going to place it right here on the next level of a resistance trend line, which is of course right there, this level of the resistance trend line, which was previously also a support trend line. So therefore, now we can expect a bouncing inside of this new channel that has just been born, and therefore the pound GPY most likely will continue the bouncing until it reach that edge of that channel and respect the same level of a resistance trend line. So by that, we can actually say that our take profit level will be exactly right here at the highest level of a resistance at 188.253, expecting at least 126 pips of profit with this signal. However, the stop loss has got to be placed just somewhere right here below that level of a real support, as we can see. Therefore, it will be about 60 pips only. Let me now write the signal for you. And there goes your signal, my friends, for the pound GPY. And of course, don't forget to join our free group of Telegram to receive any updates about the signal, such as the last one right here. Last Sunday or last Monday, actually, unfortunately, the pound GPY signal has failed and it reached the stop loss. But thankfully, those who have joined this free group of Telegram, they were able to close it in a break even, because I have personally sent here a warning telling everyone to close it right now in a break even, because the pound GPY was showing actually a strong momentum to the rise. So if you want to trade by your own, it's up to you, but you have to be responsible for what will gonna happen if it reaches the stop loss. If I notice any price action here against our analysis, I will inform you right here to close it in loss right now. So again, It's your benefit to join actually this free group of Telegram to receive any updates about this signal. I'm doing here the best I can to help everyone. So this is actually part of our assist to you with this signal. Of course, the link of this group can be found in the description below of this video. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.